Do you know what's the most important asset of any successful online business? Many people think it's their ability to run paid advertising to sell their products. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. In reality, it's an email list. People that are crushing it online build lists of thousands or even millions of email subscribers over time, which allows them to generate massive income. Now, there's one thing you must know. There is a right and a wrong way to try to make money online, but here's a shocker. 99% of people are doing it wrong. That's why you hear things like, making money online is hard, or I paid for many online courses and didn't make a single dollar. If this is you, then we're here to tell you it doesn't have to be like that. We created List Building Academy to help those who are about to give up because they've struggled to make money online for so long, or even those who have zero experience and don't come from a technical background. When you join List Building Academy today, you will learn the following. Number 1, we will teach you how to build a quality email list that allows you to generate a steady and predictable income online. Number 2, we will provide you with the tools you need in order to generate leads for your business. Number 3, you will learn how and when to email your subscribers in order to build trust and brand loyalty. Number 4, you will learn the proven strategies needed to grow your email list exponentially, and so much more. The best thing about creating an email list is that you own it, and no matter what happens, no one can take it away from you. So as your email list grows, so does your income, to the point where you can start creating wealth for you and your family. Not just now, but for many years to come. You will be shocked to find out how much value you will get out of this training course, which you can join today for just a few bucks. And if you act now, we will include the following amazing bonuses, which are designed to help you start building your email list in no time. Bonus number 1, Lead Magnet ebook. You will receive one of our best-selling ebooks, The Most Profitable Method Online, to use as your lead magnet to attract subscribers. It's a report written to disclose what we feel is the easiest way to generate income online with a very low budget. Bonus number 2, Done For You Funnel. Start driving traffic to this pre-made funnel template with your new lead magnet and watch your email list grow. Bonus number 3, Done For You Emails. Are you stuck not knowing what to email your new subscribers? Here are 10 of our best pre-written scripts you can set up in your email autoresponder to start nurturing your new subscribers and build your relationship with them. Are you still thinking about it? If you're not 100% satisfied with this program within 30 days, we will offer you a full refund. Take up to 30 days to explore the materials and then make a decision using the information you have rather than the information you don't.